sagot sa ating mga pangarap. Dito na tayo sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Mga talento ipakita, sa empleyado sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Pangarap mo maaabot na, dream, shine, and be a star. Iisa ang ating pangarap at layunin, lahat ay gagawin upang ito'y makamit din. Eto na ang sagot sa ating mga pangarap. Dito na tayo sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Mga talento ipakita, sa empleyado sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Pangarap mo maaabot na, dream, shine, and be a star. Dapat layunin, lahat ay gagawin upang ito'y makamit din. Dream, shine, and be a star.
May pumukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy, at nahagip ng bato ang pakpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na nakaya pang lumipad, at ang nangyari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigas. Mamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y di na nahabag. Pag pumanaw ang buhay ko, may isang pitpit na iiyak. May pumukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy, at nahagip ng bato ang pakpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na nakaya pang lumipad, at ang nangyari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigas. Mamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y di na nahabag. Pag pumanaw ang buhay ko, may isang pitpit na iiyak.
O Pilipinas, o Pilipinas, o Pilipinas. Magsama-sama tayo't ating balikan mga kwento ng pamana, ang ating kasaysayan. Ito'y nagbubuklod sa ating lahat, libo-libo mang pulo, ngunit iisang watawan. Paraan ng pamumuhay ng mga ninuno, sadyang ipinaman at itinuro. Pangalagaan natin ating pagyamanin, mahaling himig ng pamana ay dinggin. O Pilipinas, ang ating tanging bayan, ang kultura at tradisyon ay pahalagahan. O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man, ipagbunyi ang laging ipagsigawan. Samot-saring kwento na nakalipas, ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas. O Pilipinas, o Pilipinas. Sa ibang dayuhan ko'y dumating, ang pagsakop nila'y may impluensya sa atin. Ngunit ang kalayaan din ay nakamtan, dahil sa mga bayaning bansa'y pinaglaban. Sadyang napakarami ng mga pamana salamat. Ang gabay at inspirasyon ng lahat. O Pilipinas, ang ating tanging bayan, ang kultura at tradisyon ay pahalagahan. O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man, ipagbunyi at laging ipagsigawan ang samot-saring kwento na nakalipas. Ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas. Ang ating tanging bayan, ang kultura at tradisyon ay pahalagahan. O Pilipinas, kahit nasaan ka man, ipagbunyi at laging ipagsigawan ang samot-saring kwento na nakalipas. Ito ang himig ng pamana ng Pilipinas, ng Pilipinas, ng Pilipinas.
Hello everyone and welcome to Talents Academy. I'm Nicole and today we have a very special episode in store for you.
I'm Madison, and alongside my wonderful co-hosts, we're here to celebrate National Heritage Month in style.
I'm Esha, and National Heritage Month is it all about celebrating our rich Filipino culture and history.
Absolutely, Ayesha. I'm Kara, and we'll be exploring the significance of our heritage and why it's so important to preserve it for future generations.
I'm Isabel, and our Filipino heritage is like a vibrant mosaic made up of countless traditions, languages, stories passed down through the ages.
And I'm Anika. Together we'll delve into the beauty of our cultural heritage, from the colorful festival to the delicious cuisine that tantalize our taste buds.
But why is National Heritage Month so important, you may ask? Well, it's a time for us to reconnect with our roots, to understand where we come from, and to appreciate the journey that has brought to us to where we are today.
National Heritage Month is a doorway to Philippine culture, inviting us to explore its vibrant tapestry and learn about its rich history.
It's not just about observing from a distance, it's about immersing ourselves in a culture different from our own, broadening our horizons and understanding of the world.
It's not just about our own heritage though. National Heritage Month sparks conversation how cultures interact and influence one another, fostering appreciation for both similarities and differences.
Through this discussion, we realize that despite our diverse backgrounds, we share common threads that unite us as human beings.
It's a time to celebrate the richness of our shared heritage
And to recognize the importance of preserving and honoring cultural diversity. So let's embrace National Heritage Month as an opportunity for all of us and celebrate the beauty of our collective human experience.
because in the end, the more we understand and appreciate each other's heritage,
The closer we become as a global community, united by our shared humanity.
Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika. Likas sa aking puso at hikain kay kanda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silanganan, wari na tipo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Ika'y sa'king talino sa mabuti lang laan. Sa aki katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, isang bansa, isang diwa ang minimithi ko. Sa bayang ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa. Ako ay Pilipino, Pilipinong totoo. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino, ang Pilipino ay ako.
National Heritage Month is more than just a celebration. It's a celebration of diversity, a unifying force that brings us all together.
the Philippines is like a beautiful mosaic with each culture, language, and tradition adding its own unique piece to the puzzle.
During National Heritage Month, we get to see the full spectrum
Of this diversity on display.
from the vibrant festivals of Luzon
To the captivating dances of Mindanao.
This celebration of differences isn't just about showcasing what makes each region special. It's about fostering a sense of respect and understanding, bridging cultural divides.
It is a time for preserving tradition.
And building bridges generations.
Through traditional dances, crafts, and storytelling, communities come alive, passing down their wisdoms and heritage to the next generation.
These events not only preserve cultural traditions but also create a bridge between the past and the present.
It's in the spirit of inclusivity that Filipinos find true strength. NHM reminds us that our differences are what make us strong, and that by celebrating our diversity, we can build a brighter, more united future.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya 1,000 kulay nangangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisig lang indak, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
And there you have it! As we wrap up this special episode celebrating National Heritage Month, let's carry the spirit of diversity, unity, and respect with us every day.
From the colorful festival to the age-old traditions, National Heritage Month reminds us of the beauty and richness of our Filipino culture.
Let's continue to honor our heritage and preserve our traditions.
And build bridges that connects us all as proud Filipinos. Happy National Heritage Month, mga kababayan! May this celebration inspire us to embrace our diversity and strengthen our bond as a nation.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our cultural heritage. Remember, our differences are what may make us unique, but it's our shared values that unite us.
From all of us here at Talents Academy, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Happy National Heritage Month, and may the spirit of unity and diversity continue to guide us forward.
Until next time, keep celebrating your roots, cherishing your culture, and spreading the love for our beautiful Philippines. Mabuhay ang ating kultura!
Mabuhay ang ating kultura! Mabuhay ang ating kultura!
Mabuhay ang ating kultura!
Mabuhay ang ating kultura!